Welcome to the beach in Spain. We are halfway through Sky Week Spain with a bunch of qualified pilots, and after flying we've sat down to get some feedback as to how things could have been clearer before they started their paramotoring journey. This film is designed to explain the different courses that we run, as well as how to progress through the sport, including all of the equipment options and the after-sales care that we provide. The first course we run is the 2-day taster course. These only take place in the UK over weekends, and they follow the first stages of the API PPG syllabus. You are introduced to the wing on the ground, do lots of ground handling, and the engine. It is not designed to get you flying, and they make excellent gifts, or they're ideal for those who are still sat on the fence, yet to decide whether they want to fly, like now. It's just taken off. So the next course is our 6-day beginners. These take place in the UK, Portugal, and here in Spain. These are designed to get you flying at least once, and they are great if, yet again, you want to have that immersive experience, but you've not fully committed to becoming a qualified pilot, you're not ready to buy your kit yet. So yet again, more ground handling. We teach you how to launch the glider, inflate it, and then get towed into the air on a winch. In Portugal, we have the option of a top to bottom, all to prepare you prior to going for your initial first solo flight. We have the hang tests, which is a compulsory part of the training process, and the idea is to give you a really good first solo flight, possibly more if the weather allows. And as I said, 3 different locations: UK at Hinton in the Hedges, Portugal north of Lisbon, and Spain down here on the coast or at Lake Bornos. So you've done your 6-day course, you've had your first flight, maybe more, and you go, I love this sport. This could be a good time to discuss with us the right kit and the discounted packages and the after-sales services that we provide. We advise you on what is the right paramotor, the right engine, and the right wing, the reserve, the helmet, the headset, and we don't just sell you the kit, we then help set that up for you. And this is the critical importance. We don't just want to sell you equipment, we want to sell you equipment and make sure you know how to use it properly, and more importantly, safely. So we go through the whole run-in and the setup process, fitting the reserve, teaching you how to use the trimmers on your wing, and ensuring that you are safe to fly your equipment without us around. But you still need to do 6 more days of training, possibly more. So the 12-day pilot course is the most popular. In a perfect world, I would advise doing the 6-day beginners in the UK, and then the 6-day intermediates, as we call it, in Spain or Portugal, because this really consolidates your skills and you do it in an intensive period. And it's all about taking your skills to the next level. So multiple takeoffs and landings, low passes, spot landings, cross-country flying, and really getting to know this sport. So I hope this film has been informative and useful. If anything is not clear, or if you have any questions, just contact us. The website is skyschooluk.com. So, just to summarize, the 2-day taster, the 6-day beginner, the 12-day pilot, the equipment packages, UK, Portugal, Spain. Anything is possible within those realms. Now it's time for us to go flying, because the weather's amazing, and that's what we do. We are paramotor experts, and we look forward to guiding you on your paramotor journey.